Skywater International. A new innovation in valve technology has emerged from the dedicated work of Skywater International. We are delighted to introduce our newly invented product, the press button sliding gate valve. Unlike the existing ball and gate valves that require heavy twisting and turning,
Can somebody help me out here?
the push button sliding gate valve is easy to operate and requires only the push of a button. Press green to open. Press red to close. The sliding gate valve is efficient, dependable, reliable, durable, and has a quick response time. Whereas most existing ball and gate valves have a maximum pressure of 225 psi, an independent test has certified that our newly invented push-button sliding gate valve can withstand a maximum test pressure of 1,202 psi and an operating pressure of 700 psi. The sliding gate valve can be used in homes, factories, businesses and industries, and even in the outdoors. The sliding gate valve is easy to operate, requires no twisting or turning of fingers and arms to operate, has chemical and steam resistant EPDM seals, is hot and cold water compatible, regulates water flow at any level, and engineered to outperform other valves. Skywater International. Innovation at its best.